Hello everyone, how are you? Oh, the title must be nerve-wracking or ano ba yan? Worrying, but no. I have no bad news to bring. No, there's no news. I'm sure you've heard of it or probably heard it from news or wherever. Border controls, travel restrictions, border closures. These are the words we never want to hear. For the past 2 years, a lot of you suffered from border closures and all those restrictions. And ever since February 10, quarantine was removed as long as you're fully vaccinated. And then February 16, the Philippines opened up its borders to fully vaccinated foreigners. And since then, all the changes has been for good, has been about loosening up, pagluluwag. Now, border closure. According to a news media company, tell me, border closure not yet needed. DOH says as first monkeypox case detected in the Philippines. Yep, the first monkeypox was detected from a 31-year-old Filipino with a travel history from a country that has recorded monkeypox. The country was not mentioned. According to the Department of Health, closing of borders is still not needed. Even the WHO has classified monkeypox as a low to moderate risk. Therefore, we do not need to close borders. Trade does not have to stop. Ayun. Listen to this. According to a news company in the Philippines, even with the discovery of the first monkeypox case in the country, the Department of Health said a border closure is not needed. Parang for me, they want people to worry. They want people to feel like the government is not doing enough or acting accordingly. Well, look at other countries. I always think it that way. Look at other countries. Are they closing their borders? No. And that's your sign, guys. If other countries start doing travel restrictions, closing, then that's the time that we should worry as travelers. But for now, travel restrictions, other countries are not doing it. So the Philippines will not do it. We will just copy what other countries are doing. We never make the first act. No. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't know of any country. I've never heard of any country, except probably for some parts in Africa. But, the rest of the world that has closed their border because of the monkeypox. Sure, some countries have issued travel advisories, pero going as too far as imposing restrictions on the travel, no, wala naman. Monkeypox primarily is transmitted through prolonged close contact, and majority of the cases reported in this current outbreak involved men who had intimate sexual contact with other men. No, but this is not just a gay disease, guys. Anyone can have monkeypox. Even women, men, straight men, women can have it too. Pero restricting travel at this point is not going to have any impact. No, rich countries with reported cases, with many cases, should be proactive. No, those vaccines are needed, especially to those highly risk group. But with all that's happening, I'm kind of surprised and a little bit disappointed. There is still no new Department of Health Secretary. At a crucial time like this, what's happening, Mr. President? Bakit wala tayong DOH Secretary until now? Wala bang tumatanggap sa posisyon? Guys, filter what you listen to because it can affect you, mentally. You have to take care of your mental health too. Choose who you listen to, what you listen to. Protect your sanity. Masyadong negative kahit hindi naman dapat. Wow, kung makapagsalita ng border closure, parang madali lang yan. Wow. Yun lang guys, ganun pa rin. The protocols are still the same. And there is no talk about travel restrictions. This is just media putting this in your head. Pero wala po. Wala pa po. The best sign na mag-worry na kayo is kung yung ibang country magkaroon ng travel restriction, dun tayo. Dun na talaga tayo mag-worry. Pero ngayon, wala naman. So, ngayon, chill lang. Take care of yourselves. If you're somebody If you're a man who is having sexual relations with different guys, then just be careful. If you can have that vaccine, why not, diba? Pero as of now, COVID-19 pa rin. COVID-19 pa rin yung talagang issue. O, pag wala kang vaccine against COVID-19, quarantine upon arrival. Ganun. Monkeypox vaccine, wala pa po yan. There is not enough supply in the world. So, yun lang po ang update natin today. It's very short. Thanks for tuning with me. If you have anything to add, comment down below. If you have anything to argue with me, you have anything against what I said today, go ahead in the comment section. I love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and stay safe. Bye.